I heartily welcome everyone in our Math Simplified by HM channel. In previous video, we have seen substitution method for solving simultaneous equations in two variables. In today's video, we are going to see second method for solving simultaneous equation known as elimination method. Before that, please share this video, like this video, subscribe my channel to get you my new videos. In previous video of simultaneous equations, we have seen the mathematical landscape for solving simultaneous equations. First method is elimination method, second is substitution method, third is graphical method, fourth is determinant method. Let us consider a simultaneous equations pair with 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11 as equation 1, 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10 as equation 2. This is a pair of simultaneous equations. We use elimination method to solve this. Here observe that in equation 1 coefficient of x is 5 and in equation 2 coefficient of x is 2. So for equating coefficients of x, we multiply equation 1 by 2 and equations 2 by 5. Thus, multiplying each term of equation 1 by 2, we get 5x into 2, 10x plus 3y into 2, 6y is equal to minus 11 into 2, minus 22. Name this equation as 3. We multiply equation 2 by 5. 2x into 5, 10x plus 4y into 5, 20y is equal to minus 10 into 5, minus 50. Name this equation as 4. We can equate coefficients of y also by multiplying equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3. Please note that the elimination method involves choosing a variable to eliminate. First, multiply both equations by suitable non-zero constants to make the coefficients of one variable numerically equal. Here we have choose variable x and we have multiplied equation by 2 and equation 2 by 5. Multiply the entire equation. We have multiplied each term of equation by suitable constant. Selected terms. Practice negative numbers to avoid sign errors. Now write equation 3 and 4 one below the other. 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22, 10x plus 20y is equal to minus 50. We see that 10x are the same terms in both the equations having same sign. So to eliminate x, we subtract equation 4 from equation 3. For that purpose, we will change sign of each term in equation 4. 10x to minus plus 20y to minus 20y, minus 50 to plus 50. Then adding, we get 10x plus minus 10x becomes null, 6y plus minus 20y becomes minus 14y, minus 22 plus 50 gives 28. Thus, we get a new equation in single variable minus 14y is equal to 28. Name it as 5. Now, understand the solution types of this equation in single variable. If you get an equation in one variable, example ay is equal to b, in our case minus 14y is equal to 28. Then go to step 3. In this case, the pair is consistent pair and the lines are intersecting lines and their point of intersection is the solution. If you get a true statement with no variable, for example, a is equal to a, finally simplifying you get 0 is equal to 0. In this case, the system has infinite many solutions and the lines represented by these equations are coincident lines. If you get a false statement with no variable, example a is equal to b, simplifying you may get 0 is equal to 5 or 0 is equal to 1, 0 is equal to 3, anything. In this case, the system of equations has no solution and the two lines represented by these equations are parallel lines. Now we move to step 3 to solve the equation for one variable. Write the equation 5 minus 14y is equal to 28. Dividing both sides by minus 14, we get y is equal to 28 upon minus 14. Solving this, we get y is equal to minus 2. Thus, we have solved the equation in one variable so obtained to get its value. Now in step 4, we find the value of second variable. For this, substitute this value of y in either of the original equations to get the value of the other variable. We take first equation 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11. Putting y is equal to minus 2, we get 5x plus 3 into bracket minus 2 is equal to minus 11. Solving we get 5x minus 6, 3 into minus 2 gives minus 6. We know that when positive term is multiplied by negative term or negative term is multiplied by positive term, we get the negative term. Thus, we get here 3 into minus 2 as a minus 6 is equal to minus 11. Solving this, we get 5x is equal to minus 5. Dividing both sides by 5, we get x is equal to minus 1. Now, we get the answers for both the variables. Now, we will finally check for its correctness. Now, check the equation 2, that is 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10. We have x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 2. So, 2 into bracket minus 1 plus 4 into bracket minus 2 is equal to minus 10, which gives 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 10. Solving, we get minus 10 is equal to minus 10, which is the perfect match. Thus, we get the solution x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 2. And we write it as in bracket x comma y is equal to in bracket minus 1 comma minus 2. Now, see the traps where we can make mistakes or double negatives. Common subtraction error. 2y minus into minus 3y is equal to minus y. If you write like this, then it is incorrect because you have not considered the between minus sign. The correct is that 2y minus into minus 3y gives 2y plus 3y, which gives the 5y. When subtracting a negative term, it becomes addition or positive term. To avoid errors, please circle the signs like this. Now we understood the geometric meaning of the solution we obtained. Algebraically, we found values for x and y. Geometrically, we found the point where the two lines intersect each other. The point of intersection is the solution of given simultaneous equations pair. Here, 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10, 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 1 intersect at the point x is equal to -1, y is equal to -2. Now we summarize the step we have used for solving simultaneous equations by elimination method. First is the equating step. We multiply equations to match coefficients. Second step is eliminate. We add or subtract to remove that variable who has the same coefficients. We solve the equation obtained for remaining variable. Then that value we put in another equation to find the second variable. Professional tips: if you get 0 is equal to 0, the system has infinite many solutions. If you get 0 is equal to 5 or a is equal to b, the system has no solution. Thank you. We have seen in detail elimination method for solving the given simultaneous equations. Please like this video, share this to your friends. Also subscribe my channel to get you new my videos.